kitchen where the magic's made. Leah and Trisha got it laid. Low-carb dishes on the rise. Healthy meals usually prize.
Okay, so bacon is out of the oven. My eggs are done and I have peeled them. So I drained my grease into my bacon canister. I saved my bacon for flavor. And I'm going to put it on a paper towel. Let the rest of it drain so it can be crispy. I'm using this bacon for two things. One, I'm making a broccoli salad. And two, I'm doing Brussels sprouts with cheese, bacon, and onion. So I think that'll be really good. So we needed 2 packages of bacon. So I had a whole bag of broccoli florets. I had to clean them, cut them, and roughly chop them. A whole package of bacon, 6 boiled eggs, 1 8-ounce Colby Jack cheese cubed, and I'm using walnuts, 1 cup, and I just roughly chopped 1 red onion. Then I made this mixture here, and it is a cup of the mayonnaise Duke's, 1/3 of the apple cider, and a 1/2 cup of the sugar. And I might have to use more of this because this is a lot. So very easy. You just put it together. My son cannot have onions, so I'm going to go ahead and do his own little bowl. There are some big ones in here. You just got to go through and just do a rough chop. Onions in my big bowl here. My son doesn't want onions, so more for us. And then I'm going to put the bacon, the egg, the cheese, the walnuts for his. I'm going to pour this in here. That's all you do, just mix it together. And just let it sit in the refrigerator and get cold. You can use any cheese, you can use any nut. I'm using walnut today. I'm using Colby Jack today. It can be shredded, it can be cubed, it can be however you like it. You use turkey bacon if you don't eat real bacon. There. And then you just set it aside. Okay, and then I'm going to add the rest of this in here, just like that. This is a great salad even in the summertime. Keep this handy. Get everything incorporated here. I might need a bigger bowl. Okay, I'm just gonna I made a lot, so I might have to make that mixture again. You can see it or not. I'm going to have to make that mixture again because I like mine to be wet. I don't want it to be too dry. I like my onions to saturate in that sauce.
In the kitchen where the magic's made. Leah and Trisha got it laid. Low-carb dishes on the rise. Healthy meals usually prize.